All right, what do I mean by saying markup? I'm saying take this picture, save image, or you could just screenshot it. And then you go to your photos and find it. And then up here it says edit. And markup is just when it pops up here. So you click the three dots and then you click markup. And now I can write on it. When I'm done, I push done. I want to push done again, and now that picture has my markup on it. So then you can go to Schoology and then you can click plus, choose from library, recents, find your picture. There's mine. Yes, yes, I want to put it in there. That is markup. You can do it on any picture that you find. There's me. There's my picture. And then I can go back in time and I can click revert. Revert to original. And that is photo markup. You will have to be using that. So make sure that you practice with these Y charts.